Alright, next, we'll move on to designing the server settings page together. It will be a menu page, used for configuring the connection to the database itself. Okay, I'll show an example of the original project first. So, this is the project. This page here. We've already downloaded various icons. This page will resemble the menu page. Let's go and have a look. It will be somewhat similar to the line notify settings page. Therefore, we can directly copy various controls from the line notify settings page and use them here. Okay, let's continue together. Open our project. Then, add another tab page. Just click Add Tab here. And it will arrange it at the end like this. We've prepared the icons, right? The database icon. Add it to the image list. Click Choose Images, then, Add. I've selected this icon, where you can use other icons that convey the same meaning, such as an icon representing storage. It's up to your preference. I'm using this icon, an image representing the database. Double-click to select it. Then click OK once more. Next, let's configure the settings for the last tab page, named Tab Page 5. First, select Tab Control 1. Go to the Tab Pages collection, and click the button with 3 dots. Let's modify the properties of the latest tab page, named Tab Page 5. Click Alphabetical to arrange them from A to Z. Go to the Text property. We'll change the old text from Tab Page 5 to Server Settings. Like this. Then, let's change the icon here in the image key. Select the database image, and you'll have a beautiful tab page. Now, let's see if there are any properties we need to configure additionally. For the name property, we're keeping the original Tab Page 5, we didn't change it. In summary, we only changed the text and image key properties. When everything is set, click OK. Next, let's go to the server settings page. Click on an empty area. In the properties window, you'll see Tab Page 5. Change the back color property from transparent to white. This is to prevent the edges of the controls we'll drag and drop into this tab page from being black. So, before designing the form, let's change the background color of the tab page. Then, go to the line notify menu we designed. Simply copy all the controls, and paste them into the server settings menu. After that, let's change the text from the original name, line notify settings, to server connection settings. Like this.